Take command of the road in the 2011 Ford Explorer. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, and cruise control. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.